2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a luxurious and groundbreaking addition to the world of premium recreational vehicles. Rolls-Royce, known globally for crafting some of the most prestigious cars, has now entered the elite motorhome segment with a model that redefines road travel. This masterpiece combines the brand's legendary craftsmanship, elegance, and innovation with the comforts of a modern luxury home on wheels. The exterior design of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome showcases a regal appearance with a long, sculpted body featuring the signature Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy ornament leading the way. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, including carbon fiber and high-grade aluminum, the structure ensures aerodynamic efficiency and strength. The large panoramic windows, powered awnings, and subtle chrome detailing enhance the vehicle's luxurious presence on any road or campsite. Rolls-Royce offers bespoke exterior finishes, allowing customers to personalize their motorhome down to the finest detail. Beneath the hood, the motorhome is powered by a twin turbocharged V12 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This powerful setup produces over 700 horsepower, ensuring effortless highway cruising and smooth acceleration regardless of terrain. The advanced air suspension system provides a near-silent ride, gliding over bumps with the grace expected from Rolls-Royce. Coupled with an intelligent all-wheel drive system and regenerative braking, this motorhome delivers both performance and efficiency for long-distance luxury travel. Inside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a sanctuary of opulence and technology. The interior features handcrafted wood veneers, lamb's wool carpets, hand-stitched leather seats, and customizable ambient lighting. The spacious layout includes a lounge with electric recliners, a dining area, a gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom, and a private bedroom with a king-size bed. The noise insulation is world-class, creating a peaceful and quiet environment wherever you are. Technological features are just as impressive. A fully integrated smart home system allows voice or app control of lighting, temperature, shades, and entertainment. A large OLED infotainment display, premium surround sound system, satellite connectivity, and augmented reality navigation make travel both enjoyable and stress-free. The safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras with night vision. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury, merging the refinement of a Rolls-Royce limousine with the utility and space of a top-tier motorhome. Designed for those who demand excellence without compromise, it offers an unmatched experience in road travel, whether for weekend getaways or cross-country adventures. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a groundbreaking concept that redefines both the luxury automotive and recreational vehicle industries. Ferrari, known globally for its elite sports cars and racing heritage, takes a daring leap into the motorhome segment with this stunning creation that blends speed, design, and ultimate comfort in one mobile masterpiece. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a mobile home on wheels, it is a statement of innovation and luxury. On the exterior, the design captures Ferrari's iconic language with sleek curves, sharp LED lighting signatures, and a low-slung aerodynamic profile that screams performance even at a standstill. Unlike any other motorhome, this model retains the brand's signature grille and aggressive front fascia, while incorporating extended living space toward the rear. Lightweight carbon fiber materials are used extensively throughout the chassis and body panels to ensure the motorhome maintains optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, this motorhome surprises everyone by offering a hybrid V12 engine, combining raw power with environmental awareness. The performance figures are staggering for a vehicle of this class, with over 950 horsepower, enabling it to go from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. That kind of power is unheard of in the motorhome segment and solidifies Ferrari's commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries. Inside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome delivers a first-class experience. The cabin is a marvel of Italian craftsmanship, outfitted with the finest leathers, carbon accents, and a panoramic glass roof that opens up the space. It features a fully integrated smart system controlling lighting, climate, and entertainment. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped. The lounge area includes custom recliners, and the rear sleeping quarters rival the comfort of 5-star hotels. Advanced soundproofing ensures a quiet and peaceful ride, no matter the engine's roar. Technologically, the Ferrari Motorhome comes loaded with cutting-edge features. It includes a digital dashboard, a holographic navigation system, voice command controls, and even biometric security access. Driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance are standard, ensuring both safety and ease of operation. The suspension system is adaptive, offering a smooth ride on highways and handling tight turns like a performance coupe. What makes this motorhome stand out isn't just its speed or tech, it's the overall Ferrari DNA embedded in its design, execution, and experience. From its badge to its cockpit, every detail screams exclusivity and performance. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not for everyone, but for those who can appreciate its brilliance. It is a mobile marvel. Explore the Bugatti Motorhome, a groundbreaking fusion of ultra-luxury and mobile innovation. Known for its supercars, Bugatti has taken a bold step into the motorhome market, creating something that is both stunningly advanced and opulently comfortable. This review covers everything from performance specs to interior features, offering you a comprehensive look at this revolutionary vehicle. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome stands out immediately with its sleek, futuristic exterior that blends aerodynamic design with a powerful road presence. Built on a carbon fiber enforced chassis, it combines lightweight engineering with strength and durability. The front end carries Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille, flanked by aggressive LED headlights, while smooth sculpted lines extend across the body for enhanced airflow and aesthetics. Alloy wheels and an extended body frame offer a balanced mix of luxury and stability, designed to glide smoothly on highways or twisty mountain roads. Under the hood, the Bugatti Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering over 900 horsepower. This unique powertrain allows the motorhome to accelerate more swiftly than any traditional RV, while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for its class. With advanced all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, it handles with surprising precision, providing a smooth ride even on less forgiving terrain. Inside, the Bugatti Motorhome redefines luxury living on wheels. The interior features premium materials like Italian leather, fine wood inlays, brushed aluminum, and crystal accents. The living space includes a full lounge area, a smart kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, a spacious bathroom, and a private master suite. Every detail is crafted to offer 5-star hotel-level comfort. The intelligent ambient lighting system adjusts to your mood, and climate zones can be individually customized for each section of the vehicle. Tech-wise, the motorhome includes a centralized smart control system operated via touchscreen panels and voice command. It features a high-speed satellite internet connection, multiple OLED screens, an immersive 3D sound system, and a full entertainment suite. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with features like 360-degree cameras, radar-based collision avoidance, lane keep assist, and biometric security access integrated seamlessly into the vehicle's design. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome is more than a luxurious RV. It's a mobile masterpiece built for the elite, combining performance, comfort, technology, and exclusivity. It caters to those who demand the best of both automotive engineering and refined living. This motorhome is not just about traveling, it's about doing so in unmatched style and sophistication. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated with the latest luxury vehicles and motorhome innovations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of automobiles.